So, buckle up, because this might be the wildest Google Pixel leak ever caught on camera. Literally. The Pixel 10 has just been spotted in the middle of a full-blown commercial shoot, and this time, it's not some blurry render or sketchy prototype. This was a professional shoot, out in public, and someone recorded it all. The footage was shared by Marks Gone Public on X, and what they captured is insane. We're talking about a production crew on site in Vancouver, actively filming what appears to be the Pixel 10's official commercial. And here's the kicker. The storyboards were just sitting out in the open, fully visible, showing off exactly what they were filming. No room for speculation. The boards literally say, Pixel 10, and match Google's signature video and ad style. So, what did we see? The ad campaign slogan is reportedly, "Ask more of your phone." And from the looks of the storyboard illustrations, this was no base model. This phone seems to be either the Pixel 10 Pro or the Pro XL, and you can clearly spot the familiar Google camera bar with those two circular cutouts beside the lenses, which likely house the flash and that infrared thermometer sensor we first saw on the Pixel 8 Pro. The illustrations also reveal the power button, volume rocker, and the entire back panel layout. Now, design-wise, it doesn't look drastically different from the Pixel 9 Pro, so if you were hoping for a full redesign, this might not be it. Google seems to be sticking with their recognizable hardware look, at least for now. But here's where it gets juicy. The ads are camera-focused. One of the commercials appears to be showcasing standard photography capabilities, while the second one might be demoing the rumored Add Me feature. If you're not familiar, Add Me lets users combine multiple shots to include everyone perfectly in a group photo. It's a pretty slick AI-driven photo tool that could be front and center in this year's camera software upgrades. And yes, the leaked footage also gave us two actual glimpses of the Pixel 10 Pro in real life, in what looks like the classic obsidian black finish. From afar, it really does resemble the Pixel 9 Pro, but that doesn't mean it won't pack some serious upgrades under the hood. So, while the design might look familiar, this leak confirms Google is going all in on camera and AI once again. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.